Westie drink. I like how Westies think. I live off Centrelink. My telly's on the blink. I wear my thongs to keep me cool in the summertime. Ugg boots to keep me warm in the wintertime.
I'm unemployed, unemployed, unemployed.
I'm from Blacktown. I'm on the dole again, and you're never gonna kick me out. I'm from Blacktown. I missed the rent again, and they're never gonna kick me out. I'm from Blacktown. She's up the dump again, and you're never gonna kick me out. I'm from Blacktown. I drive a panel van, and you're never gonna kick me out.
Great Western Highway, Great Western Highway.
I like the dog track. I like to dress in black. I wear me tracky dacks that show a bit of crack. I wear me thongs to keep me cool in the summertime. Ugg boots keep me warm in the wintertime.
I love to fight with my neighbors.
Turn that f***ing music down, you noisy.
I'm from Blacktown.
There you go, Scotty, there's one for you.
I got it.
Change lanes early, you dickhead. Now you're speeding, or attempting to. Out of my fucking tailpipe, bitch. Really? You're gonna just pull straight out without looking? Dumbass. Hey! Really? Did you even look? Dickhead?
Donuts, getting 4 of them for a limited time only. With a $10 full pack for just $8 at OTR stores.
Oh, good on you, you dickhead! You friggin' dumbass! Temporary Australian doesn't want to live.
Easy way to wake up.
Stupid pedestrian. Fucking dumbass.
3020. I'm a wanker, and I'm always pulling my pull.
Don't pull out in front of me! Asshole! Cockhead! Dumbass, look for yourself on Scotty's, you fucktard!
9 Light, positive radio for Melbourne.
Words to live by. From 1 Timothy chapter 6 verse 6 to 7. But godliness with contentment is great gain. For we brought nothing into the world, and we cannot take anything out of it. It's so true. I actually heard a while ago that if you live in Australia, you're in the top 5% of the richest people in the world. And you might think that's great. You might think we've got 10 bucks in my bank account. But if you have the capacity to get it, that means you live in a society that is in the top. Easy to think about. So we need to learn to be content in any situation, because we really can't take anything. That's what you said to your mother. We're going to dive deep into fucking dick.
Dick, come back, dickhead, because you know you're in the wrong, you fuckwit. Go and fucking flip it all over somewhere.
Sexuality.
What are you doing, Princess? Go. Oh, fuck.
Intersex is actually an actual condition.
Yeah.
Exit the roundabout onto Kensington Road.
But the thing is, when I found out...
What are you doing, you fucker? Oi! Oh, motherfucker!
Oh, that is not good.
Oh, shit.
On Kensington Road for 1.5
You okay?
kilometers.
Yeah, I'm fine. racetrack were. Really?
Bitch.
What the fuck?
Wow.
No, that's for
Scotty.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Good on you, mate. Jesus.
This silver car he's done that. Oh, that was close. That hit. Did that hit?
I don't know.
Jeez, that was close. I don't know what happened.
Probably.
Oh, god damn it. This guy's fucking reversing out, for fuck's sake. What a fucking wanker.
Christ, trust me to pull into fucking Macca's when there's 8,000 old butts. Mate, it's one way. It's like one way. Like, are you like blind?
Oxygen thieves.
Yeah. Bloody dickheads. It's got big arrows. Like, so anyway, hope.
Oh, fuck. Close. Really got him.